We're going downtown. Technically, we're going to the city center. Centre.
Now let me explain, see, I'm not trying to take you down, I'm trying to take away pain. Try my best to refrain from being the same as all these other low lifes that probably don't remember your name. And all your exes sitting left, I'm trying to home run. Trying to make you happy, make a difference in the long run. So trust me when I say I'm swollen shut. I'm spilling out my heart because you opened up and now I'm going dumb when we touch. Yeah, I'm not saying that we're picture perfect, but I'm saying that we fit proportion. I'm showing you that we're more than love because of lust, not hidden behind the curtain. I'm telling all the facts, don't ask me because I'm certain. It's certain we both come from hurt places, but you don't have to tell yourself that that's the reason why we're in relation. I'm just trying to see a smile on your face and make this chapter permanent, no need to change your pages.
Expected nacho cheese and then it came out as a shrimp. I mean, I'm hungry, so. What'd you get? Garlic cheese fries and mint milkshake. I got chili cheese fries. We tried to find the most American place. It was an accident. I really want to try it.
You're nothing like I'm Helen, but once I make it, you'll have everything you want. I'll put you at the top when I get on. Yeah, I just want to put the...
You want that? I do want this. Why?
You got everything.
What's everything?
You got the little armpit hair, the tattoos. You got the gold bracelets.
In your way, cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. Hey, little lady said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say.
Dinner was good.
I'm very full. I have a food baby. It kind of hurts. These pants are too tight for me to be in that much. I shouldn't wear my stretchy pants. These are like my tightest skinny jeans.
It's so pretty out here at night.
It's also way more crowded. Like nobody's here during the day or in the morning.
We were literally walking with like a horde of people and I was like, okay.
I don't think I've walked with that many people in Boston or anywhere else I've been. But Boston's the biggest city I've been in.
I just wanna be with you.